Hello guys, my name is Jolaev Nartlek, I'm 20 years old, I'm third year student of Odebirgen Zhubanov Aktobe Regional University of Foreign Languages faculty. So my major is two foreign languages, and right now I'm learning English, German, and I know a little bit Japanese in A1 level. So let's talk about my work experience. My work experience starts at the age of 14 when I worked as a waiter. So when I was 16, I became an elder waiter. So when I graduated my school at the age of 17, my school invited me to work as a tutor to help students with their English, math, history, and world history. So when I entered my university, that previous school invited me to continue my work as a tutor for 11th grade students and also teach them English. Next one, at the second course of university, I created my own debate club, trilingual debate club, Kazakh, Russian, and English. So right now, at the third year, my previous school invited me to work as a debate leader, debate teacher, and director of offline and online courses, and to teach 11th grade students with Kazakh history. Also, I have my second job. I'm working as a barista at the weekends when I make coffees. So, what does coming on the summer work and travel program mean to me? That is so important because that's my childhood dream. I want to be in USA because, like, I'm just 20 years old. I'm young. I want to feel that American vibe. I want to feel that emotions. I wanna walk by New York streets and sing a song, New York. I wanna feel that emotions with my friends. I wanna walk here. I wanna see all that views that I saw in the series, films, etc. I know a lot about the history, about the culture, but I just know I can't feel it being an actor. That is why at my 20 years, that's a perfect time to see, to feel, to taste, to smell. I want to get all the opportunity that this program can give. So next question about my strengths. First of all, I think that's the most important, to be responsible. I am responsible because now I'm working as a teacher. That is why I am responsible for myself, my students, and etc. I can work easily with people. I have skills like money management, time management. Also, I can manage people. I'm a leader of my own debate club. I'm a founder of my debate club. Yeah. So I'm a stress resistant because I had a lot of cases in my life with people when I work as a barista, as a waiter, and etc. So next question about sports and about my favorite professional team. I really like to play volleyball, football, and my favorite professional team is Liverpool that plays in the Premier League in England. But in 2026 summer, it's going to be World Cup 2026. So I want to really see a lot of football players, football fans. I want to feel that atmosphere. So the final question. So what do I want the host of company to know about me? I'm very ambitious. I want to get all of that opportunity. I want to use that in my future life with my students. I want to use that experience that I will have in the summer. I want to grow up as a leader, as a debater, and mainly as a future English teacher. I want to see USA. I want to feel that American vibe, that atmosphere. I'm ready for all. Thank you.